Former Socioeconomic Planning Secretary Winnie Monsod wants President Duterte to resign and let Vice President Leni Robredo take over. Monsod said it in her column for the Philippine Daily Inquirer. She said the Duterte government has done a lousy job in handling the COVID-19 crisis, citing data from the Asian Development Bank. Why did Duterte and his administration stumble so badly? Instead of concentrating on the problem at hand, Monsod said there were so many distractions. Among them, destroying ABS-CBN, protecting the Chinese government, and concealing problems regarding the president's health from the people.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.